Hey guys, we're doing the random for the half case upper deck. Random is live. It's 8:45, 36 p.m. Melbourne time. Dice roll for the participants. Going 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Players now. 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Wow. Indy C. Michael Jordan. That's happened last time as well. A couple times ago. Random complete. And the list is Indy C with Michael Jordan, Mendoza, Vince Carter, Branco, Larry Bird, Wilkinson, Rodman, Dylan Smith, Chris Stapps, Alex Stewart, Penny Hardaway, Widmark, Dr. J, Elworthy, Zach Levine, Dan Chappell, Magic Johnson, Strotty Rhodes, George Gervin, Mark Skinner, Thon McCurr, Branco, Ben Simmons, Bestwick, Hakeem Olajuwon, Andrew Hunt, Jamal Murray, Adam Carter, Kevin Love, Branco with Jerry West, Matt Smith with Stephen Curry, Lee Smith, Dirk, Eugene Yu, Elgin Baylor, Jamie Grant, DeMarcus Cousins, Jonathan Michaels, Alonzo Mourning, Timothy Price, Markel Fultz, Matus with Cat, Brendan Berthelot, Clyde Drexler, Shane Bradfield, Iverson, Chaz with Wiggins, and Matt White with LeBron. And I need to copy that. And that's it.